Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the handwriting recognition on the GoodNotes application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Now tap on the settings option. And as you can see, the handwriting recognition is the first button, so click on it. Then you should select the language of the handwriting recognition. Tap on it. Choose from these options. Click on the relevant one. And now you should download the handwriting language pack by clicking on the relevant one and then click on the button Done in the upper right corner of the screen. So now your handwriting will be recognized by the GoodNotes application if you add anything to your notebook. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.